Hello everyone. Today's date is 2nd March 2022. Myself Kalpesh Badane, and today's video topic is method calling and returns type of method. So firstly we discuss the what is the method. Method is a set of block of code which are used to perform a specific task. It provides the reusability of code. So it executed only when we calling it. So how to call the method? Firstly we discuss the static method. So static method is if you are write the static keyword in the method name, then we can say the it is a static method. So for calling the static method, we don't need to create an object. We can call the static method by using class name. So how to call the static method? First is a class name dot method name, then we can call the static method. Second is a non-static method. So non-static method, we can say that it is a return type or non-return type. So non-static method we can call the using object that are created that is means instance of the class. So object name dot class name, after that parenthesis, and after that semicolon. So if you provide this parameter in the method, then we can need to pass the parameter in the method name, and then after we can call it. Next is a predefined method. Predefined method means it is already defined in the Java program, is also known as predefined method. Its example is a hashcode method, strings methods, lot of string of method that are created in the Java in the JDK or in the so how to calling it? So if you create the object of the class, then we object class dot method name it, then after it calling it. Second is a user defined method. User defined method means method which are created by the user in the Java program is known as user defined method. Next is a abstract method. So abstract method are created in the abstract class. So if the one abstract method are present in the class, then we necessarily need to declare this class as a abstract class. So abstract method are present in the class, then we can implement this method. So if you don't implement this method, then JVM you give the compile error. So it necessary to implement the abstract method. Abstract method implemented in another class using inheritance concept means, suppose we have a parent class that is an abstract class, and we can extend this abstract class with the help of inheritance concept, and we implement the abstract method in the child class. Then we can create the object of child class, and after that we can call it by using object dot class name. After that we can discuss the return type of method. So there are two types of methods in the Java. First is a return type and second is a non-return type. Return type method take up return type method name is such as like a public void public int, and main is a method name, int is a return type of method, and after that in parentheses, suppose we want to pass the parameter such as int a, integer a, and after that parenthesis completed. So integer, it is a return type of this method. So after that, after completing the method, we can return the, or we also need to return the integer type of we also need to return the integer value. So if you don't return the integer value, then it gives the compile error. Next is some rules for the return the value. First is if we provide the return type that is a integer, then we also need to return the same integer value, same data type value. If you return the rather than the integer value, then it gives the compile error. And after that, second is a non-return type method, means we can write the void keyword in the method. So if we don't want to anything return if you don't need to return the anything value, then we can use the void keyword. So with the help of void keyword, we don't return the any value. So that's all about today's video topic. Thank you.